Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is HISENSE HS2100 soundbar. This is 2.1 channel soundbar. It's called the Beast. 240 watts audio power, Dolby audio, DTS TV mode. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This soundbar got 3 speakers and 6 equalizer settings. So let's check this stuff out and see what is inside. It will help to unleash your TV sound. This soundbar can hook it up to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. This soundbar is with wireless subwoofer. This is the information pack. There we go. This is very sleek and light. It's not heavy. Accessories are in here. This is brilliant stuff, very light. There we go, and see what it looks like. And the power cable goes in here. You have auxiliary port, USB, HDMI and optical. This soundbar is very light. The Beast, 240 watts audio power, 6 equalizer mode, Bluetooth 5.3, super powerful bass, ease play, multi connection, TV mode, ultra slim subwoofer and TV mate. HS series 2.1 channel soundbar, DTS and Dolby audio. HISENSE, the Beast. This is the subwoofer here, very slim. Brilliant. Look at that. So this, you got black clothing here. The rest is covered with plastic, and at the back here you switch this off and reset it from here. The power cable goes in here. Now what is in here? The accessories. So you have HDMI cable included in the packaging, which is handy. This is power cables. The 2 power cables. One is for soundbar, the other one is for subwoofer. And battery. also the remote control. So we start with, we put the battery first. So you take the negative to the top right. So when you are holding the remote control, so the negative go to the top right and the positive at the bottom. Then on the left side, the negative be on the bottom, the positive be on the top. Then after that, then push this up to close it. Now this is the power cable. So take one of the power cable, go at the back, push it inside it, then plug it onto the socket. And take this one as well. Go at the back of the subwoofer, push it inside, plug it. Then plug it onto the power socket. So we're going to measure this soundbar from this end to this end is 80 centimeter. You can call it length. This is 9 centimeter. So length is 80 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter width. And the subwoofer from the front to the back is 35 centimeter. From front to the back is 35 centimeter. This is 11 centimeter. Then from the top or height is 30 centimeter. This soundbar deserves your attention. You can also switch this off and on from this button, and this button here is the input plus for you to increase the volume, minor is for you to decrease the volume. You select the input, Bluetooth, USB, okay, aux if you haven't got the remote control, but you can also select this from the remote control. Okay, this soundbar deserves your attention. It's beautiful, very sleek, the beast. It helped unleash your TV sound. This gear deserves your attention. Now with this remote control, you switch this on and the light is showing, and it can on optical. So we need to go to Bluetooth. So you select Bluetooth
pairing.
So now Bluetooth pairing. So it's looking for available Bluetooth device. I'm going to connect this using my mobile phone. So go to your mobile phone settings, go to the phone settings, go to the connections, switch Bluetooth on, and the Bluetooth is on. Then select the Bluetooth, then scroll down and look for HISENSE HS2100. Select on it, pairing, pair with HISENSE, select pair.
Bluetooth connected.
Bluetooth connected. Now we're going to test the audio using Epidemic Sound. Now go to saved music.
Now you
Surround off. Surround on.
This is the remote control. You switch this soundbar on and off on this button. This button here is the input. This button here is the Bluetooth. This button here is surround. And this button here is equalizer.
Music.
Music. So use equalizer to select music.
Movie.
Movie.
News.
News.
Game.
Game.
Sport.
Sports.
Night.
Night mode.
Music.
Music. So use equalizer to select game, sports, news, night mode. And this is surround. Use up and down to volume plus to increase the volume. Select volume minus to decrease the volume. Low volume.
No volume.
Then use this button to go forward, and this button is for you to go backwards. And center one is pause and play. You increase the bass from this, okay, decrease the bass and treble, increase the treble and decrease the treble. Dimmer. Okay, this button here is for you to switch the dimmer on and off.
I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the Bye.